the words that don't have specific meanings, like oi, nu, je, like was je willst du. Je doesn't mean anything, but it gives it that emphasis. Those are wonderful. The phrase Zayt mir gezunt und shtark. So be well and strong for me. And it's that, for me, that gives it that Yiddishkeit, that Jewishness, because to me, the mir, the famir, for me, be strong and be healthy and strong, is, well, maybe you don't want to take the time to take care of yourself and look after yourself and eat well and exercise properly, but I care about you, so on my behalf, please take care of yourself. So be well and strong for me. Seid mir gesund und stark.